profile, your awareness around yourself, these are two things you prepare for. Your college subjects. Most importantly, you need to get rid of that sense of loss if you don't do well at the interview. When I went for my interview, I was very scared कि अब मेरे को नहीं होगा तो मैं वापस नीचे गिर जाऊंगा और मैं suddenly elevate हो गया और life में. So that attitude से निकल जाओ. Believe that you got it because you deserve it, and now focus on the fact that you deserve to be in that room. And once you deserve to be in that room, then you have a chance to actually go and create impact, right? So belief is the most important aspect at this point. So what happens is when you look at your profile, you make a lot of mistakes like not being able to present good things in your profile. Simple things which might be really good are not presented in your profile. Or sometimes some very good things are also not presented by you in your profile. So you have to sift your profile closely and try to find out what are the things that you have done. So for example, when I was preparing for my IIMs, I used to think that मेरा personality बहुत poor है, मुझे आता नहीं है कुछ, मैंने कुछ पढ़ाई भी नहीं है, मेरी पढ़ाई भी एकदम mediocre थी. So I was very scared of my IIM interview calls when I got them. I had great control on the CAT because I was getting 30 questions extra in 2 hours over what was required to get through. So I was discussing with Manish Konkar the other day. He had solved 135 questions, I think is what he told me. In the CAT, I had solved 170 in a 2-hour framework. And both of us reached the same institute. So I knew I had control of the CAT, but at the interview process, I was not very much in control.